Hello everyone, Miles Awesome here. You know, I've been not uploading recently because I have doing something I wanted to do. So you guys, I have linked the NHL goal horns, but one thing I want to say, people are trying to copy me. I don't want people to copy me because people try to copy me. I'm trying to make them stop. But today I have a list of 45, not 45, I don't know, but 45, something like that, goal horns, and I'm going to rank them from, so I have them on here on my computer. They are not max volume because I haven't, well, max volume could be, yeah, but it's max volume. And we're going to see. Here's the first one, Anaheim Ducks. Okay, it's actually not too bad. I like the channel here, the channel on top of here. If you guys want to see which one I got from, so that's actually not bad. I'll give it a set. Let's get a 7 out of 10. Okay, next one is the Boston Bruins. Everybody knows that song just played, and also that's not pretty bad. I'll give it a 7.5 out of 10. Buffalo Sabres. Okay, New York Buffalo Sabres, New York Buffalo, not too bad. I gave it like a 7.2 out of 10, but Boston's on the first. Here we are, Calgary Flames, Canada, the first Canadian team with video. Wait. No way! You're playing that song? What's the song called? Oh, you guys are. That's the song. That's TNT. That is TNT. I know that song. TNT from AC/DC. I know that song. That song's so good. I would know all. I don't know that song from AC/DC anytime. Here our next one. Carolina Hurricanes. That's the quietest air horn I ever heard in my life, but how's the song? Okay, that's not too bad actually. I give it like a 6 out of 10. It's not that great, but here you are. So Chicago Evans. Now I actually have been to a Chicago Evans game, but let's see how the air horn actually is because I never heard before. I heard before, but see it. That was loud. Right there, they say, hey, hey, hey. I don't know what the song is, but please let me know in the comments below what song it is. Please, I need to know because the air horn, 9 out of 10 is so good. Come 2 seconds. Ohio team. Okay, I don't want to cover it, but I don't know what song that is. I'm not looking to do that. Here you are, Dallas Stars. Well, Texas, but the song contest. Anaheim Ducks are from California. Boston is from Massachusetts. Buffalo is from New York. Calgary is in Canada. Carolina Hurricanes are in North Carolina. Colorado Avalanche, well, there's obviously it's in Colorado. Next one's from the one that we just saw was from Ohio. Now got the one in Texas, Dallas Stars. The only team in Texas actually, I know. Good. Let's give that a 8 out of 10. Not kidding. 8.5 out of 10. That would be good. Detroit Red Wings. I don't know where Detroit is located. Hang on. Where is Where's Detroit? Okay. Detroit from Michigan. Red Wings. Let's go. Okay, da 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 da. Oh my god, that song is. Oh my god, the song, I know it. Oh my god, that song is so good. Oh, guess who's back at this? So, guess who's back? Back again. I forgot what the song's called, but I'll find out later. And, okay, so now we put that one. Not too bad. I would give it a 8.6 out of 10. Sorry if your team is not that good. I'm just thinking about my opinion, okay? But don't worry. We'll get better, okay? Edmonton Oilers. Okay. Since the Fort Banffers beat the Stanley Cup, I'm sorry, I don't want you to read it, but that air horn was actually surprisingly good. I'll give that a 7 out of 10. It's not too bad. It's actually one of my favorite team. But you guys probably know my favorite team. It's right there in the background. For the Panthers. My opinion, best one, 10 out of 10, because favorite air horn. Play one specific song that's actually real music. Okay, that song is called Famous Pulse. Biggest song though, but if you guys are not Famous fans, don't about it. You guys are in this video, so we guys are like, okay, so this one was in South Florida, because whether or not, I'm in Florida. Edmonton Oilers was from Edmonton, Canada. Here we are. Now, Los Angeles Kings. Sorry, I'm not good at geography. Not where's Lansing, where's LA? California. It's another California team. Oh? Good. I'll give it an 8 out of 10. Minnesota Wild from Minnesota. Okay, a little more. That's four horns. Not like three like the other ones. Four freaking horns. Okay, I'm not mentioning that. Get that 8 out of 10. Montreal Canadiens. Great. Okay. I am speechless. It's so quiet though. Like I don't know why it's so quiet. This is what I could get. Huh? Oh, not too bad, but me can know. Who can know? Who can know? I'll give it an 8 out of 10. Here we are. Nashville Predators. Let's see how it's going to this. Holy shit! Oh god! Oh, yes! Oh, fuck! Shit! Oh my god! Why was that so loud? Oh shit! Why is that so loud? Okay, I'll lower it again. God, that was loud. Okay, but it's not too bad, but freaking loud. Are you trying to give people a ear rape? Imagine hearing that right next to your seat. Imagine hearing that loud volume in stadium. But like not like a hockey, like imagine hearing that in stadium. Not like imagine hear that like in the middle of the night. What the hell? But I'll give that an 8 out of 10 after the ear rape. Okay. New Jersey Devils. So actually Nashville is from Tennessee. I think so. Tennessee. Here we are, New Jersey Devils. It's in Newark, New Jersey, I know that, but, you know, I get these. Okay, I don't pay too much because I don't cover it, but that was actually pretty good. Sorry, that was really my fault, but that was actually surprisingly good. I'm actually surprised that this is actually amazing. Like, I don't know why, but this isn't even that bad. New York Islanders. This is the second New York team in this video. The first one was Buffalo. That guitar I like, but that's actually not bad. I'll give that a 7 out. I give that not 7. Let's give that a 9 out of 10. These air horns are not bad, but they're all different. Because if the horns are repeated, they can't be the same. But we're gonna find out. New York Rangers, the last New York team, and the only New York, this last New York team video, and the New York team that they have. It's a big steal. It's a big steal. Okay. That does not sound good, but that's a song. Okay, one thing I say is that the sound like it got corrupted. I swear, I'm really on YouTube doing this, but I don't know like if this is a good idea or this is not a good thing. But I don't know about this there one. It's a little mysterious to me, but it's not too bad. I'll give it this, I guess, an out of 10 though. Ottawa Senators, Canadian team again. Okay. That song was woohoo, but that air horn was 4 times. I mean, like, I know they're trying to create this, but this is not creative. This is no, okay. Sorry, this is creative, but really, is this really how's it gonna go? But I'm not mad. It's just that these other ones are a little, you know, different to me because I never heard of the other ones. I've been to 2 games: Panther Stadium and Colorado Stadium. 1 time only. That's what I know. I guess one a 6. I guess one a 6 out of 10. Sorry, I'm making you mad. It's just my opinion, okay? Philadelphia Flyers from Pennsylvania. Bam, bam, bam. 3 air horns in like 3 air horns in like 5 seconds, and then the song comes on. I don't know what the song's called, but that's actually not bad. I'll give it an out of 10. Pittsburgh Penguins. Now, Penguins are Pittsburgh. Where the hell is Pittsburgh? Pennsylvania. Wait, Pennsylvania's that one, and then Philadelphia Flyers. Hang on. Then one. No, okay, sorry. Both Pennsylvania. I just freaked out, but no, both Pennsylvania. So, both different Pennsylvania teams. Philadelphia and Pittsburgh, they're both different, but whatever. Pittsburgh Penguins. Mini heart attack. The case of the ones are bad. The music, well, it sounds like insane screaming and insane rupture. Hang on, I gotta turn the fan again. Hang on, I'll turn the fan just a second. Hang on. Just because of the heat. That's all. Semi was heating. Okay. Sound. Okay, that one's a 8, right? Yeah, a 6 out of 10. San Jose Sharks. That song sounds familiar. That's me talking so different, so simple, but that's actually too bad. That's only the last. That's the third and last. We got like 2 California teams, and this is the third one. But wait, what's music? I know the beat, but I don't know the song name. But someone please tell me in the comments, please down here. Please tell me what they are. I do not know. It's like really like I don't know, but yeah. It's like you all ready for this? Something like that. But that's not too bad. I give us an out of 10. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left. 5. Wait, 6, 7, 8, 9 left. I can do this. Here we go. Seattle Kraken, Washington, the state. Not DC. That Ohan was Paul West one. 4 out of 10. The song, not too bad. Still a 4 out of 10 overall, but this song, I think it's lithium. I don't know. I'm not good at songs, okay? I'm not good at geography or songs. Please forgive me. I don't have the audacity to do this, okay? This is like hard for me because I don't know what to do. Also, yeah, I wear blue glasses now, but I don't want to wear my videos because I don't really see like the point in videos, but let me know if you want me to wear these blue glasses. Nothing really good me. Please, let me know. St. Louis Blues. St. Louis Blues. Missouri. And then Elmo is Minnesota, right? Wait, Minnesota upstate? I'm not good at spelling. Sorry guys, I'm sorry. I'm not good at spelling. I'm so sorry guys. I'm not good at spelling. I showed this up before. Like, I showed this up before. A number. Wait, Minnesota, a U.S. state? Okay, yes it is. Guys, I'm sorry. I'm so not good at this. I'm so sorry. St. Louis Blues. Definitely Oregon there. The third one's Poland. The first main one. It's bam, bam, bam. It's not too bad. I would say not too bad. God, this is gonna be a long video. But yeah, too bad. I would say pick it. 8 out of 10, I would say. Tampa. I know how Tampa is. They hate the Florida Panthers. A lot. But I don't know why. They just do. Okay, not bad. 8 out of 10. Toronto Maple Leafs. Toronto, Canada. Okay, good, not that bad. Okay, here we are. Utah. Okay, no, I forgot to give it. I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10. But now here we are, the newest team in NHL, Utah Hockey Club. But now it's called the Utah Mammoth because they changed it. Well, let's go. Oh, wait, that's the one. Very, very delayed one. This is the first one. Very delayed. The second one, after that one, very delayed. Then the one, late song. 10 out of 10. Vancouver Canucks. Vancouver Canadians. It's Vancouver to Canada. Okay. I think it's close like Edmonton. I think. I don't know. But wait, before I started, I know they burned down the city. I don't That's I think that think went a little overkill of that. One air horn, very long. Like a 10-second air horn. 8 out of 10. Vegas Golden Knights. My brother hates this team. If you guys saw a video question my brother, look for that on my channel. It's there. Question from my brother. He will see that team, but whatever. I can play music, but the earphones are bad. But I'm gonna hear music for a sec. Okay, not too bad. I could give it an 8 out of 10. Here you are. The last U.S. team, Washington Capitals. Now, this is the team that made some know. Alexander Ovechkin break Wayne score. This is the team that did it. The captain, Alexander Ovechkin, Washington Capitals. Let's see how they go. Okay, the airhones are bad. The sound in the back is like that's not from outside. That's actually the goal horn. I also put like I said, put the channel in the eye in the corner. Up here, in the corner. And this is like not bad actually. It's not too bad. Okay, here we are. The last team, Winnipeg Jets in the last video, that's Canadian team in the last video, Winnipeg Jets. Music is good, everyone's too quiet. Give that the 6 out of 10. So, there you go. That's me ranking all the goal horns. So, thank you all so much for watching. And I will see you next time. Bye bye.
Te convocou, talvez cê tá com o popô. O mano te convocou, talvez cê tá com o popô. É vapo, vapo no setor, é vapo, vapo do vapo.